Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are well and safe. Sitting at home and learning from home is little difficult. But don't worry, Cambridge International School Daswa is here to help you out at this time of difficulties and crisis, COVID-19 pandemic. Myself Rita from Cambridge International School Daswa, and today I am going to teach you chapter legislature. And the topics I would be covering in this video will be: what does the parliament do, chart of power of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, special powers of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Now, shall we start? Legislature. Before doing further topic, let me recall the previous one. What was legislature? It was a law-making body of the government, and success of democracy depends upon the efficiency and effectiveness of the representative legislature. क्योंकि यही law बनाती है. This is the first important law making body of the government. A very very important organ of the Indian government. So, what are the functions of Indian Parliament? Yes, Indian Parliament is very very important for us. ये करती क्या है? Let's start. And today you will write this question in your copies also. The same topic you will get from your textbook 107 page. Yes, first function, legislative function. Parliament is the chief law making body of India and enacts legislative for the country. इसका काम है कि drafting a bill, fine, and performed by the bureaucracy under the supervision of a minister concerned. No major bill is introduced in the parliament without the approval of cabinet. And cabinet other than the ministers can also introduce bill, but these have no chance of being passed without the support of government. Control over executive is considered as the most vital role of parliament. Executive में सबसे बढ़िया role है. So this you can add in legislative function. Second, control over executive. इसका मतलब मैं आपको elaborate करती हूँ कि control over executive and ensuring its accountability means I think I would like to clear like executive does not overstep its authority and remain responsible to the people who have elected them. जिसने हमने उनको वोट देके चुना वो answerable है हमारे सामने. ठीक है, तो now financial power भी है इसके पास. वो क्या है? Parliament controls the income and the expenditure of the government. Where does the money come from? And every government raises resources through the taxation. However, in a democracy, legislature control taxation and the way in which money is used in the government. The financial power of the government involves the grant of resources to the government and to implement its program. कहाँ पर कौन से program हुए, कितना पैसा आया, कहाँ खर्च किया, everything. This is a major function of legislature. You can say Indian Parliament. Now representation. Representation में आप डाल सकते हो कि Parliament represent the divergent means different groups of members of different regional, social, economic and religious group of different parts of the country. Now debating function. Debate बहुत करती है ये. Debate के बिना ये decision नहीं लेती है. Every kind of people participate in it. So Parliament discussed and analyzes the every aspect and every national issue. Like you can say the Parliament is the highest forum of debate in the country. There is no limitation of its power on discussion. Members are free to speak on any matter without any fear, and this makes it possible for the Parliament to analyze any and every issue that faces by the country or faces by the nation. Now constituent function. ये क्या है? The same topic you will collect from your book page number 108 and 109. But don't forget to observe the picture and observe the cartoon which is pasted. Constituent function. The Parliament has the power to discussing and enacting changes in the Constitution. और किसी के पास power नहीं है change करने की Constitution को. The constituent powers of both the houses are similar. All constitutional amendments have to be approved by the special majority of दोनों house की, लोक सभा और राज्य सभा. Now electoral function. सबसे बढ़िया काम election system वाला electoral function. The Parliament elects the president and vice president of India. Judicial function. Parliament can impeach, क्योंकि president को impeachment के दौरान ही हटाया जा सकता है. So Parliament can impeach President, Vice President and judges of High Court and Supreme Court as well. Now, the major topic, you can also observe same chart at page number 109. Powers of Lok Sabha and powers of Rajya Sabha. You have to do this question in your copy, and same like this difference in between line, and one side you will write powers of Lok Sabha and on the other side you will write the powers of Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha, the popular house, people's house. This makes laws on the matters included in the union and concurrent list. Rajya Sabha considers and approves non-money bill and suggests amendments. Lok Sabha approves proposal for taxation and budget. This approves constitutional amendments. Lok Sabha controls the executive by asking questions. Rajya Sabha exercises control over executive by asking question, introducing motion and resolution also. Lok Sabha amends the constitution and Rajya Sabha participate in the election and removal of president, vice president, judges of Supreme Court and High Court as well. Approves proclamation of emergency, Lok Sabha, but here no chance. Rajya Sabha no chance. Lok Sabha elects the president and vice president, removes the judges and Supreme Court and High Court, judges of Supreme Court and High Court. Lok Sabha established committees and commissions and considered their reports, but Rajya Sabha can give the Union Parliament power to make laws on matters of included in the state list. इसका मतलब Lok Sabha is much more powerful than the Rajya Sabha. Now special powers of Rajya Sabha. कुछ एक स्पेशल पावर दी है हमने राज्य सभा को, ऐसा नहीं कि ये नॉमिनल है. So some of the special powers, page number 110. As you know, the Rajya Sabha is an institution mechanism to provide representation to the state. Its purpose is to protect the powers of the state. Therefore, any matter that affects the state must be referred to it for its consent and approval. If the Union Parliament wish to remove the matter from the state list to either the Union list or concurrent list in the interest of nation, then the approval of Rajya Sabha is very much necessary. अगर changes करने हैं स्टेट लिस्ट में या concurrent लिस्ट में तो राज्य सभा का अप्रूवल सबसे ज़्यादा जरूरी है. Any resolution seeking the creation of all India services can only initiated in the Rajya Sabha. वो कहीं और नहीं हो सकता. In the same way, you can say initiative. Lok Sabha means power exercised only by the, these are some of the powers that I have discussed, only special powers of Rajya Sabha. Now special powers of Lok Sabha are second house, popular house, people's house. Only Lok Sabha can initiate, reject or amend the money bill. Rajya Sabha को इसमें कोई हक नहीं है. No confidence motion can be introduced only in Lok Sabha. वो कहीं और introduce नहीं हो सकता. So, last, I would like to sum up my topic here. In all other spheres, including, you can say, passing of non-money bill, constitutional amendments and impeaching of president and removing of vice president, the powers of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are co-equal. वो हम equal कर सकते हैं. This will be easy for you while learning the answer and while writing the answer as well. So, this is the topic that we have done today. So, you write today questions. How many questions you will write? You will write 3 questions today, my dear students. Number 1, list the functions. इसकी बेटा proper heading, elaborate, then explanation. Fine. 6 marks question. Second question, what is the difference between powers of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? ये आप चार्ट से हेल्प ले लोगे बेटा. Same you have to write in between line. Third question, some of the special powers and Lok Sabha, some of the special powers of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This question you will learn only, not to be right. My dear students, don't forget to read the cartoon side by side related to the topic and content. So before ending, make sure one thing, that please you have to learn and revise all the content which you have done, and if you are having any doubt, let me know. I am here to help you out. Thanks to Cambridge School who is helping all of the students at this time of crisis and hardship. In my next video, we will meet with the next topic from same chapter. Till then, goodbye and have a wonderful day ahead. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.